Senegal is a West African country located in the westernmost part of the African continent's mainland. The country is bordered by 5 countries, and these include Mauritania in the north, Mali in the east, Guinea and Guinea Bisau to the south. It is also centrally bordered by the Gambia and also the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Senegal has an estimated population of 17 million people, and its capital is Dakar. Senegal is one of the unique African countries because it's one of the few African countries that has another independent country within its borders, and for this case, that's the Gambia. In this video, we discover and explore Senegal, one of the most hospitable nations on the African continent. We'll be looking at its history, the people and culture, and also the Senegalese economy. But if you're new to the channel, welcome. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that would like to learn about the African continent. To start with, the name Senegal is derived from the Zenaga indigenous people of Mauritania and northern Senegal. The earliest kingdom in the country was the Jolof kingdom, which was led by King Njajan Njay. This kingdom existed between the 10th and the 12th century, and it was later split into 4 Wolof states of Walo, Kajor, Baol, Sine, and the Salum states. Tracking down the earliest Europeans to reach the country, the Portuguese reached Senegal in 1444, and their first point of contact was Gorée Island. The country was the early point of contact for many European countries to the African continent, and this created a huge contest among the English, the French, the Portuguese, and the Dutch people. Each of these countries wanted to take control of this area because this would give them better access to the continent in those early years, and the French were finally able to win this battle in the 19th century. In those early years, much of the work that was done took place on Gorée Island, and among the activities included slave trade, the buying and selling of goods such as gold, gum, and also the growing of peanuts. Other major places of operation in Senegal included places such as St. Louis, Dakar, and also Rufisque. As time went on, the local people started seeing the injustices that they were going through, and they kept pushing for their independence, which they finally achieved in 1958 from the French. Senegal has a population of 17 million people, and the country is blessed with abundant culture. The culture in Senegal is preserved through oral traditions, and this is mainly done by old men who pass down the important information to the younger generations. The staple meals in the country include millet, rice, peanuts, fresh seafood, and many other types of foods. And as it is in many African cultures, meals are communally eaten from a single serving dish. Music is a great part of Senegalese culture, and it is used to express different ways of doing things in Senegal. This is mainly done through singing and dancing. For the tribes in Senegal, the Wolof constitute 43% of the population, followed by the Fula, who constitute 24% of the population. Then there are the Serel, who take up 15% of the population. There are other tribes like the Jolof, the Mandinka, the Soninke tribe, and many others. Senegal is predominantly a Muslim country, and Muslims take up 90% of the population, with Christians being only 5%. The other 5% is taken up by other religions like the traditional religion, which is mainly practiced by the Serel tribe. Senegal is traditionally an agricultural country, and its economy was built around a single cash crop, and that's the peanut. However, the government is trying to diversify with other cash crops such as cotton and the sugarcane. The country also depends on other industries such as the fishing industry. Now, since the beginning of the 21st century, Senegal has undertaken mining of phosphates and also massively invested in its tourism sector. And this is paying off quite well because the country is one of the most visited countries on the African continent. The other minerals that hugely contribute to the country's gross domestic product include minerals such as gold, petroleum, and also natural gas. Those are few of the many things that we could speak about this beautiful West African country. We hope you learned a thing or two about this country, and in case you did, please let us know where you're watching this video from, and also what specifically stood out for you about this beautiful country. Also remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone that would love to learn about the African continent. Thank you so much for watching. Watch more here to learn about the African continent.